I had a client come to me this week and she said, "Hey, Sam, we have this really high level luxury service that we offer to clients. And we only want to offer it to clients. So they have like standard services that they offer. It was like a wellness store. They have standard services. And then if you're a member, you get these exclusive services." And she was like, "Well, how do we differentiate both? How do we signal to people that you can only access this via being a member?" And I had a little think and I was like, bingo. Members area and then store inside the members area. So if you or your client wants to set up like a private store that only members can get into, so you can vet people who come in, this is the way to do it. So on our site here, we're going to go into pages, we're going to click plus, and then we're going to create a member site. So we'll just use the templatized stuff for now, but we'll click on this and then we'll go in. Now, what we can do, you can see we've got this new navigation when someone signs in. So we click add page, and then we're going to set a store within that page. So create a new store, and then we go. We've got our template store in there. Now, what happens is people have to sign up to access this. You can see it only lives in the members area. If you want, you can make it the home page of the members area too. So if I click the three dots, page settings, and then I go set as member site homepage, I can now delete this. And the store is the homepage. So people can sign in and they're straight into a store. It's like signing into a store. If I click on a pricing plan, I'm going to create a pricing plan here. What you can do is you can either charge people. This lady didn't want to charge people, but she wanted to know who it was who was going into her store. So we just set it up as free. And this way you can, vet people, you can kick them out if someone who you don't want in there signs up. So we're going to set that up as free, but you can do payment if you want. You can have a subscription for a store. Hit create. And then people can sign up. They have to sign up. Even if it's free, they have to give the details. So name, email, all that good stuff. They sign up and then they get this members site. You don't have to have the navigation if it's just one. But if I go into the normal homepage, you'll see it's not available. So someone would have to sign up. You create a sign up page. They go in and then they can shop in the store. So that's the simplest way to set up a members only store on Squarespace. Hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.